Good day, everyone. Welcome back to class. Today we are going to be looking at the limit of a function as we have what's on the board here. We have compute the limit of this function as x tends to 1. Now, if you look at this very carefully, you will discover that if I impute the value for x as 1 into this function or into this expression, it's going to make the denominator to be equal to 0, making this whole thing to be undefined. And I don't want it to be undefined. So what do I do? How do we approach a question like this? I want you to also remember this quickly. Recall that a squared, rather a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So if this value is equal to this, it therefore means that I can have x squared, x cubed minus 1 to be x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1. So look at this carefully. If this can give me this expansion, if I can factorize this into this, it then means that this whole value here can also be replaced by this. So if I replace this whole value by this, I'm going to have something like this. The limit as x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1 all over x minus 1. Here x approaches 1. So look at it very carefully. At this point, I can cancel out these two factors because they are the same. So I'm left with this part of the fraction, this part of the expression. So I have the limit as x approaches 1 of x squared plus x plus 1. So now if I impute the value of x into this function or into this linear function, linear expression, you'll discover that it will really not make it to be undefined since it's a linear expression. So imputing the values now, I'm going to have 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. So if I add this together, I'm going to have 3. I'm going to have 3, you see. So it's very simple.